Hello friends, we will continue the yesterday's lecture. Question number 38. Net assets minus capital reserve is goodwill, total asset, purchase consideration and none of this. देखो, capital reserve means purchase consideration is less than net assets. Therefore, net assets minus capital reserve is purchase consideration. Number 19. Himanshi Limited purchase consideration 22,345. Net assets 6,568. Then goodwill is 15,777. Capital reserve is 15,777. Goodwill is 28,913 and capital reserve is 28,930. देखो, goodwill means what? When the PC is more than net asset, purchase consideration is more than net assets. That goodwill is equal to PC minus net assets. Purchase consideration ज़्यादा है net assets से. So answer is goodwill is equal to 15,777. Number 40. The original amount of preference shares capital should be transferred to dash account in time of amalgamation in the books of vendor company, preference shareholders account, capital reserve account, equity share capital account. The answer is equity shareholders account, क्योंकि preference share accounts, preference share capital account is transferred to preference shareholders account. Therefore, answer is preference shareholders. Both of the old companies will not exist in internal reconstruction, absorption, external reconstruction, amalgamation. Answer is amalgamation. When company purchase the business of another company, then answer is option से उसके amalgamation, absorption, external reconstruction, internal reconstruction. Answer is absorption. When liquidation expense is paid and borne by the seller company, then it is debited to bank account. देखो, बैंक अकाउंट तो क्रेडिट होगा. गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट करती है व्हेन द न्यू कंपनी पेज इट रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट एंड कैपिटल रिजर्व अकाउंट. So realization account is the answer. Realization account is correct answer. The shares issued from the new company is recorded at face value, market value, average price. यह हमने इसके पहले डिस्कस किया है. मार्केट वैल्यू. 45. Kirti company's balance sheet shows fixed assets 3,60,000. At the time of absorption, calculation of net asset is 10% less than the market price. The market value of such fixed asset is. देखो, जो फिक्स असेट का absorption में वैल्यू कैलकुलेट किया है वो है 90%. 90% is equal to 3,60,000. तो 100% is equal to how much? कैलकुलेट करना है 3,60,000 into 100 divided by 90. 3,60,000 into 100 divided by 90. Answer is 4 lakh. Market if the market price of the shares to be given for purchase consideration at the time of absorption of the shares to be determined. Options say fair value, face value, intrinsic value and yield value. So answer is intrinsic value. Net assets of D company. Net assets of D company for purchase consideration worth 4 lakh at the time of absorption. The company has paid 32,000 equity shares each, rupees 10 each at 10% premium. Then remaining cash will be, देखो 10% प्रीमियम है, 32,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स का मतलब होता है 3,20,000, 3,20,000 का प्रीमियम होगा 10% 32,000 यानी 3,52,000. पीसी है 4 लाख, 4 लाख में से 3,52,000 लेस किए तो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट आती है 48,000. सो आंसर इज 48,000. Intrinsic value of each company shares of the vendor's company is 250 and that of the purchasing company is 400. The exchange ratio of shares on the basis of intrinsic value is, देखो 400 परचेसिंग कंपनी इसका 250 है यानी 400 इंटू 250, 400 इज इक्वल टू 250. सो आंसर विल बी 8:5. ये हमने पहले किया है. 49 amalgamation of companies governed by accounting standard 14. Following is not fixed asset, goodwill, loose tools, copyright and livestock. Answer is loose tools. Compulsory winding up if a company unable to pay its debt, if the number of members of the company reduced below statutory limit, if a company does not commence its business within a year from its incorporation, and fourth one is all of the above. In all of the above cases कंपनी का बाइंडिंग कंपल्सरी होता है. The first item in order for payment to be made by liquidator is secured creditors, preferential creditors, liquidation expenses and preferential creditors. सबसे पहले उसे liquidation expenses paid करना पड़ते हैं. Unless and until he pays the liquidation expenses, he cannot further take the proceeds. Liquidators statement of receipt and payment is known as cash flow statement, cash book, liquidator's final statement of account and depreciation account. Answer is liquidator's final statement of account. A contributor is a creditor, a shareholder, a debenture holder, a convertible debenture holder. So shareholders is a contributor. A past member of is not liable to contribute in respect of any liability contracted after he ceased the member of the company. 1 year passed since he ceased to be a member. In case of company limited by shares, no liability arise if the shares are fully paid up. So in all the cases, a past member is not liable to contribute. Which of the following statement is true? The preference share capital together with any areas of dividend will have priority for payment over equity capital. No, it is not true. The holder of community preference shares are entitled to areas of dividend if there is surplus after return of equity capital. नहीं, वो तो पहले होना चाहिए. Third, preference shares are treated as fully secured creditors. This is the correct answer. Preference shares are treated as fully secured creditors. No. If article provides for payment of arrears of dividend, then it must be paid even by contributors if shares are partly paid. इसका आंसर आप will verify. I am doubtful about it. Whatever is given in question papers. Which of the following is not a preferential creditor? Which of the following is not preferential creditors? First option देखो. Amount due to employee under amalgamation or reconstruction. So in this way, today we have tried to see how the objective type questions are to be solved. Okay, thank you.